So, let me do this for you. I don't know where you went wrong, but so we have 2x minus y is equals to 3. That's equation 1. And then we have x squared plus 5xy plus y squared is equals to 50 as equation 2. Ne? So we're going to use the substitution method. So you see that we have two variables, which is x and y. Ne? So let us make the third equation from here. Ne? Then our third equation is going to be y is equals to 2x minus 3. This is our third equation. Ne? We take it from here. Ne? We take this y, negative y, to the other side. It's going to be positive y. Then this side has got 2x. Ne? We take this 3 to the other side. It's going to be negative, which is negative 3. So where we see y, we're going to substitute by this. Okay, so let's go. We have x squared plus 5x. Yes, y. 2x minus 3. That's 2x minus 3 plus this y having 2x minus 3. That is squared. Okay, that is squared. That is squared. So let me put another 2x minus 3. Ne? It is all equal to 15. Again, let's break the brackets. We have x squared, ne? Plus 5 times 2 is going to give us 10x squared. Ne? Then 5 times minus 3 is going to give us a negative 15x. Ne? So you're going to foil it. Ne? First with this, first with the last. I don't know who more foil. Then this one with this one with that. Ne? 2x times 2x is going to give us 4x squared. Again, and a positive 4x squared. So we have 4x squared. Ne? So 2 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 6. 2 times negative 3 is going to give us another negative 6. So negative 6 minus 6 is going to give us what? Minus 12x again. And negative times a negative is going to give us a positive 3 times 3. We get a 9 again, all equal to 15. Now let's collect like terms. We have 1 plus 10 is 11. 1 squared plus 10 squared is 11. Plus 4 squared is what? 15. So we have 15x squared. Ne? Let's collect the x here. We have minus 15 minus 12. Okay? So 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. That means minus 15 minus 12 is, okay, 27. We're going to take the side of the bigger number. The bigger number is negative. What you can say is that 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 27x. And we take the sign of the bigger number, which is a negative here. Okay? Then we have 9. We take this to the other side, it's going to be negative 9 minus 15. Ne? So 15 minus 9 is how much? Is 6. And we take the side of the bigger number. Like this one is going to the other side. Okay, this time the 15 is positive. Ne? We take it to the other side. That means we're going to minus 15 minus 15. Again, this minus 15 is going to cancel this 15. So we have 15 minus 9. How much is 15 minus 9? Is 6. When you take the sign of the bigger number to be negative, get negative 6, all equal to 0. Ne? Then all these numbers are the multiple of 3. Ne? And a multiple of 3. So let's divide 3 out by what? By 3. 15 divided by 3, you're going to get 5x squared. Sharp. 27 divided by 3, you're going to get a negative 9x. 6 divided by 3, you're going to get a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then you factorize. Ne? This one is factorizable. I don't know English myself. This one can be factorized. Ne? If it's not factorized, it can be factorized. Go straight to the quadratic formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Ne? But this one can be factorized. So let's introduce our two brackets that is equals to 0. We have 5x and x that are going to give us my camera is popcorning here. That is going to give us 5x squared. Eh? So let's go to the other one. Eh? We have 1 this side and 2 this side, which are the multiples of this one. Eh? So we have a positive 1 and a negative 2. Eh? You're going to get the middle number of 9. Like when we say 5 times this is 5x squared. 5 times a negative 2 is going to give us a negative 10, and then this times this is going to give us 1 minus 10 plus 1 is how much? 9. Sharp. Then you say 5x plus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. We are fine. Then we want x. X is equals to, this is going to the other side, it's going to be negative 1. Then we divide both sides by 5. That means our x is that. Or x is equals to how much? 2. Taking this to the other side is going to be positive. Then you take your x, both x, substitute them into our third equation. You can do that yourself. It's going to be y is equals to 2 into negative 1 over 5 minus 3, or y is equals to 2 into 2 minus 3. Then you get your y's.